You've got the degrees. You've got the life experience. You've done all the hard things. You've mentored or raised kids. You led teams. You've navigated loss, survived the setbacks, and you've reinvented yourself once more. But now you're asking, who's going to pay me to do what exactly? There's all this talk about coaching and personal branding and monetizing your expertise. And maybe you're intrigued, but you're also thinking, how do I start a coaching business when I don't even have any experience? The good news, you already have more than enough to begin. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. So if you're over 40 or seasoned and you're trying to figure out your next chapter, this one's for you. Okay, are you ready? Then buckle up. Ready, set, let's go.
Hey there, I'm Renee from Raw Branded, and I help aspiring entrepreneurs to identify and package their unique story and genius into an authentic brand and business that attracts their soulmate clients.
Hey there, my beautiful souls. I hope you're taking care and doing well. Here's the truth. If you're like me, you're probably coaching before you even called yourself a coach. Think about it. I was the one that people came to whenever they needed clarity. I was the one who people call me to edit their resumes, or I would help a friend rewrite their bios for work. I would advise friends and even mentees on career choices, side hustles, life pivots, all the things. And you might be doing the same and you just don't realize it. And if that's the case, then you need a way to package what you're already good at. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. When I'm talking about the packaging and the messaging, this is so that people, your audience, will know how to work with you. So get your notepad, get a pen, get your iPad, get your computer, get some scrap of paper and a pen. I've got 3 things that you need to start a successful coaching business, even without any experience. The first thing that you need is clarity. Clarity on your offer, or I'd like to say clarity about the transformation that you're bringing to the table. This is the foundation because this is the basis of businesses. Businesses are based on transformation. Originally, someone was here at point A and you got them to point B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever you're doing with their expertise. So when it comes to a coaching business or building your personal brand, you're not just sharing advice. You're guiding someone from point A to point B. Even if you've only walked that journey yourself, you haven't gotten to C, D, E, F, G, and you only landed at B, B is better than A. And someone isn't even at A yet, and they're trying to get to B, then they're looking at you for advice. What's the problem that you can help someone to solve? Maybe you help small business owners to write better websites. Whatever it is, just be clear about it. And before you say what you do, clarify who you're helping. At this point, you don't need a fancy title. I know some people get sucked into naming themselves something elaborate. Don't worry about all that. You can get to that and get colorful. And the other thing is, you don't need a big team either. You don't need to create the village, create a big team to get at this point. You just need to know what the transformation is. You just need a problem that you can solve with heart and with integrity. That's it. The second thing that you need to start a coaching business without any experience is credibility that matches your story. Now let's talk receipts. And I don't mean fancy press releases or PR hits. I don't mean featured stories and articles, although that is nice and very helpful. Credibility can look like your own transformation story, skills from the past, testimonials from friends and coworkers who you've helped, or even results that you've gotten for yourself or for others in real life. It can look like any one of those things. Say, for instance, you helped a colleague to get promoted. That is a huge win. Think about, how'd you do that? What was the process like? Is this something that's the norm that you typically do for friends, for other people? Think about that. Or maybe you helped someone to figure out how to manage their time, to be more productive. That's lived experience. That's real credibility because you were creating change. Change is in another person's life. You just need to connect the dots between what you've done and what you can offer. There's a lot of magic in between there. You can take a moment and write that down, pause, but come right back to it, because the third thing that you need, a simple offer that you can start with. I'm talking about forgetting funnels, forget group programs. We don't have to get into all that right now. Okay, not to start, not at the beginning. We're just not there yet. All right, you just need one clear way for people to work with you. Just one avenue, one income stream at the beginning. It can be as simple as an hour-long strategy session. That's it. 1 hour of your time. Or it could be a 3-month coaching package. Or maybe you do monthly calls or bi-weekly calls to help someone to stay accountable. Start by doing something that's easy to deliver for you and also something that's easy to explain and most aligned with what you enjoy doing. And please know this, there are so many ways that you can structure a coaching offer, but most importantly, thinking of your audience and thinking of where you are right now in your process is to build it simply and sustainably and also soulfully. You just need some clarity and some confidence and some care. You don't have to wait to have it all figured out. You really don't. What you do need is to have clarity about what you bring to the table. And I know I say this often in my videos, but it's the most important thing that you need in your business is the clarity in your offer and then also the courage to show up in your business. And that's what I help my clients to do because building a business, it's very personal. It's legacy work. Around here, we're not rushing and hustling. We're honoring the pace that's aligned with our purpose. So it's important to give yourself the permission to build with intention. Soft life doesn't mean slow goals. It means sustainable success. If this resonated, then I would love for you to leave a comment and tell me, what's your next step? What is the one thing you're walking away with from today's video? Chime in below. And if you're ready for more support, then I've got a soup to nuts course called The Product Is You. It's all about building a personal brand and creating a coaching business that feels aligned and profitable because you are the product and your voice deserves to take up space. You can learn more about the link. It's down below, so check that out.
In The Product Is You, you'll learn how to create an authentic brand and business that will allow you to attract your ideal clients. We walk through the whole process of validating your offer, creating your authentic brand, setting up content creation and marketing strategies to attract your soulmate clients, and ultimately creating an authentic and profitable business that feels good to you and your clients. We go through the whole process, step by step by step. Once again, the link for more information is down below, so check that out.
And if this video was helpful for you, then like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can keep seeing videos like this one in your feed. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, your next chapter deserves to be seen, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.